Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video we are going to learn how we can grant third-party app access to our Google account. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then do make sure to leave a like as well as subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. In today's video, we are about to simply learn how we can grant app access to Google account. So first of all, you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. The thing I'm going to show you is that you can also open your Google Play Store app if you have Google Play Store, or you could also simply open your Gmail or your email application. Once you open your Gmail app, on top right hand side of the screen, you will simply be able to see your Google profile photo or your Google profile picture. You want to simply tap on your Google profile picture. As you tap on it, here it will show you the current email address which I'm currently logged in at, and here you will simply be able to find an option called Manage Your Google Account. So we want to go ahead and tap on Manage Your Google Account. As we tap on Manage Our Google Account, you will see that we will be taken to this page right over here. In order to grant third-party app access to our Google account, first of all, we want to simply scroll over here, and then we want to switch to the security tab which you see at the top of the screen. So you want to make sure we are currently on the security tab. And as we go to security, here you have been given multiple options right over here. You'll find the options such as security tips, signing into Google, and so on. And here you at the bottom, you'll find an option called third-party apps with account access right over here. In my case, I already do have some of the app access from my Google account. So you can simply tap on this manage third-party access right at the bottom of the screen. As you tap on it, here it will show you a list of all of the applications which has access to your Google account. Now, in order if you don't have these options enabled, then what you want to do is you want to scroll to the bottom of the screen, and here you'll find an option called Google Account Sign-in Prompts. Allow Google to offer a faster way to sign in with your Google account and supported third-party sites. You want to make sure that this is currently turned on, because if this is turned off, then apps will not have access to your Google account and you will not be able to turn on sign in with Google options and so many more. You want to make sure you have this option actually turned on right over here, and here you'll be able to review all of the apps which has access to your Google account. If you want to remove them, you can simply tap on it and then tap on remove access right over here, and then you can tap on OK and remove an access for a certain app. So this was a very short tutorial on how you can actually grant app access to your Google account. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like as well as always subscribe. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.